Hello, it's Monday, August 27th, 2012 at 1:44 a.m. Central Time. And I wanted to show you a few things that are happening. Of course, we've got the earthquakes here. Most of them, of the old ones, have been erased, so all you're seeing is new ones here. Most notable is we've got this big flurry going on in Southern California. Something interesting about this I noticed is, I'm not sure when these started because they were erasing the earthquakes, but you can see right here the time is 23 GMT on August 26th. And if I go over to the induction magnetometer for HARP, you can see about that time is when we have all this activity starting. Actually, this starts at 22, or just before 22, probably 21:45 universal time. And let's also look at the Y and Z while we're here. We're coming down here. Yeah, we've got actually stuff started way back here around 12. But here on the Z, you can see that it's starting about the 2200 mark, which coincides with what is at the top of this list. I'm not sure if that has anything to do with anything, but I just wanted to point that out because I found it interesting. We've got some fairly large earthquakes happening here in El Salvador, a 7.3, 7.4, 4.8, 4.6, and a 5.4, which that's interesting. It's ascending. It's going from 4.6 to 5.4. It's increasing in severity. I went over to Google Earth and zeroed in on that region. Interesting in that is that we have geometric type earthquakes happening again. These yellow ones are older ones. I'm not sure if it's going to light up for me, but I took a screenshot of this. A few more have been added since then, and I went over to wrong one right here. And again, we're getting a pattern. I can take this, connect it here, and it's parallel to this set right down here. And then if I connect them once again, we have a equilateral type geometric shape. You can see and the bigger hit is close to the center, not quite. Going back over here, if I measure them, you can see that going from here, whoops, oh, now it lit up. That's 177 miles approximately. To here, it's about 176. And going from here to here, 160 from here. Oops. Go from here to here, and it's about 163. So you can see that these two are equal as well as these two. So we are getting a geometric shape in the earthquakes, which indicates that they're man-made. Not that God could them equal, but he just usually does things in a more random pattern. And these earthquakes are right here, and the hurricane's about right in this area now. Oh, let's turn this thing off. It's following me around. It's just kind of interesting that these are right at this point where this ties into here. And then also, of course, we've got this swarm going up at going on by the Salton Sea here. Oh, and I wanted to show you this. We have like a puzzle piece that just shows up in the ocean. I don't know what it is, but when you zoom way out, it goes away. And now zooming in, and then at some point it'll go away again. So it looks like a missing piece to the puzzle. So if anybody has lost a piece, there it is. And then let's take a look at this swarm by the Salton Sea while we're over here. Markers, but I didn't get that done. You can see there's quite a few of them. There aren't very many yellow ones, and I'm not sure about the time differential here. See if we can get one to pop up. Oh, I think if I just click, one will come up. There we go. Whoa, stop. At 21 UTC. So that's, about the range of the orange ones then when this flurry started. Also, let's see what else I was going to talk about. Again, this is where we're at right now. We've got this whole line approaching the New Madrid area. And the hurricane, a tropical storm hurricane, it's actually happening down in here too, but they're not showing that radar, so we can't really see. But from what I last saw, it's supposed to come up in this area, up around, and then into the New Madrid area. Let's see if I've got it on here. If it'll work. It's kind of hard to see. How about zooming in? That might help. Goodness. All right. And it's like right in here. Now, moving on, kind of watch it move up as I run over the future times. This is like 30 hours out. I'm not sure why it's black. This is at 54 hours back. And then also notice this area in California where this high pressure area and this lower pressure area meet. You get much more severe wind pushing up through there, and that's coming around down into here, into the New Madrid area, and going back out again. Let's see, we're at 54. Let's continue on down. And you can see it there going up into Texas. And right into the New Madrid, which we don't have our state outlines, but also going, I want to show you we have some flashes going on. This one is, I think, Nashville. These loops I just loaded right before I started the video. And then we also have one up here in Wisconsin. Right here, right there. Let's see if I can stop it. Oh, go back. Right there. It's a fairly short one. And I think that is everything. Oh, I also want to show you that while all this is going on, for some reason our Jetstream map is not working. The link is broken. They're updating their software or something. Kind of bad timing, I'd say. So anyway, there you have it, just a few observations. Things certainly don't look good, but I've been praying about it, and I do feel at peace about it at the moment. So hopefully the Lord is holding things off. God bless you all. Have a good rest of the night.